Hello, my name's Glenn Wazorek. I'm an engineer at the Ann Arbor Water Treatment Plant, and I'm project manager for the Barton Dam Security Improvements Project. Barton Dam is regulated by the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, or FERC for short. In 2021, FERC redesignated the Barton Dam facility to its highest security group classification. In May 2025, FERC conducted a physical security audit of the Barton site and provided its findings to the city in July 2025. FERC's initial findings, shown in this aerial sketch, indicated that the entire site, including the spillway, the powerhouse, and both the left and right embankments, were to be secured with fencing. This would have meant severely restricting public access. However, through discussions with FERC, the city proposed an alternate boundary for the fence, which was ultimately approved by FERC in March 2026. This can be seen in this aerial sketch. This alternate route vastly reduces the total fencing while still protecting the spillway, the powerhouse, and the left embankment. More importantly, this alternate route retains public access to the right embankment, boat dock, portage, kayak slide, and pathway atop the embankment. This was a huge win for the City of Ann Arbor. By keeping the right embankment open, the negotiated route also maintains access to this area as a connector for the Huron River water trail and retains the possibility for a future connection to the border-to-border trail system from the west. Now, what about next steps? The city is finalizing the details of the fencing. For example, fencing shall be 8 feet tall to meet FERC requirements. The city is also in the process of securing a contractor to perform the work, which we hope to start later this summer and will be completed this calendar year. We appreciate your understanding and hope that you all enjoy the new amenities in the area, including the border-to-border trailhead on Huron River Drive and the new Barton-Vandenberg pedestrian tunnel. If you have any questions, you can contact the city at water@a2gov.org. Thank you.